Ammonia emissions from dairy cattle are a significant environmental concern that not only impact air quality, but also contribute to climate change and soil acidification. However, by adopting a few practical strategies, dairy farmers can make a big difference in reducing these harmful emissions while improving the overall health and productivity of their cattle. If you're looking to enhance sustainability on your dairy farm, here's a guide to 14 innovative ways to cut ammonia emissions, helping the environment, increasing farm profitability, and contributing to a greener future for the dairy industry. 1. Lower crude protein levels in feed. Reducing the protein content in your cattle's diet ensures that less nitrogen is excreted in the form of ammonia, leading to lower emissions. 2. Perfect the protein to energy ratio. A balanced ratio of protein to energy, aim for 4 parts energy to 1 part protein, maximizes nitrogen use efficiency and curbs ammonia output. 3. Incorporate low-protein feeds. Feeds like beet pulp and grains are rich in energy, but low in protein, offering an excellent way to reduce ammonia emissions without compromising cattle health. 4. Add maize silage to the diet. Maize silage is an energy-packed, low-protein forage that optimizes nitrogen use and reduces the amount of nitrogen excreted by dairy cattle. 5. Provide high-quality forage. Using high-quality forages, such as grass that is properly fertilized and harvested, ensures better nutrient absorption and minimizes nitrogen waste. 6. Maintain proper silage fermentation. Ensuring silage fermentation is done correctly, at optimal dry matter levels, minimizes protein degradation and reduces ammonia production. 7. Optimize rumen health. A healthy rumen is key to efficient protein and nitrogen breakdown. By maintaining balanced diets that support rumen function, you can lower ammonia emissions. 8. Use feed additives to improve efficiency. Additives like rumen-protected amino acids enhance protein utilization and reduce nitrogen excretion, leading to fewer ammonia emissions. 9. Manage manure properly. Timely manure removal and proper storage can significantly reduce ammonia volatilization, thus cutting emissions. 10. Invest in vermifiltration technology. This innovative manure treatment technology reduces both methane and ammonia emissions from dairy operations, creating a cleaner environment. 11. Consider dietary nitrate supplements. Nitrate supplementation has been shown to reduce methane emissions, and while it needs careful management, it can also help reduce ammonia output. 12. Incorporate phytogenics. Plant-based feed additives like tannins and green tea extracts can reduce both methane and ammonia emissions while also improving livestock health. 13. Optimize feeding strategies. By providing the right amount of feed at the right time, dairy farmers can maximize nutrient absorption, reducing waste and lowering emissions in the process. 14. Regularly adjust diets for efficiency. Continuously monitoring and adjusting your cattle's diet ensures they're getting optimal nutrition, minimizing excess nitrogen excretion and ammonia emissions. The shift towards more sustainable dairy farming practices is not just a trend, it's a necessity for the future of agriculture and our planet. By implementing these 14 effective strategies to cut ammonia emissions, dairy farmers can make a significant contribution to environmental protection while also boosting productivity and improving animal welfare. Embracing these practices will not only enhance the health of your cattle and your farm's profitability, but will also ensure a greener, more sustainable future for dairy farming. Together, we can make the world of dairy farming a cleaner, more efficient, and eco-friendly place.